The IMF World Bank spring meetings are underway here in Washington. It's an opportunity for policymakers to assess progress made over the previous year while looking forward to coming challenges and opportunities. The meetings are attended by central bankers, finance ministers, private sector executives, NGOs, and academics. This year's meetings come at a time of heightened uncertainty for the global economy.
It is tempting to breathe a sign of relief. We have avoided a global recession and a period of stagflation. Some have predicted it. It has not happened. But there are still plenty of things to worry about. The global environment has become more challenging.
Challenges include inflation, climate change, mounting global debt, lingering effects of the pandemic, and the ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East, plus trade tensions between major economies, including China and the U.S. The IMF warns of the hazards of protectionism, noting that geopolitical tensions risk the fragmentation of important economies, creating a drag on the entire global financial system. Taking all these factors into account, the IMF expects only moderate growth ahead.
Our medium-term outlook for global growth remains well below its historical average. It is just slightly above 3%. Without a course correction, we are indeed heading for the tepid 20s, a sluggish and disappointing decade.
Bright spots include robust consumption and investment in businesses, the easing of supply chain disruptions, and strong labor markets. And there are potentials for growth in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, but with those opportunities also come potential risks.
Artificial intelligence could affect up to 40% of jobs across the world and 60% in advanced economies. It could enhance workers' productivity, but also threatens some jobs.
The IMF projects that cooling inflation will set the stage for central bank rate cuts in the second half of 2024. But how fast to cut those rates and how low to go will be major talking points throughout the week. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Washington.